How to exit a for loop in the Windows command line interactively. When working with the Windows command line, mastering the art of controlling loops, especially for loops, can significantly enhance your scripting and interactive session management. A common requirement is to break out of a loop under specified conditions or interactively while it's executing. This post will guide you through the mechanism of doing so, with the focus on achieving an immediate break in a running for loop. Understanding for loops in command line. In the Windows command line environment, a for loop allows you to execute a command for each item in a set. The syntax is straightforward, typically. However, this simplicity sometimes complicates interactive tasks, such as breaking out of running loops based on dynamic conditions. Methods to exit a running for loop. Use of break command. Unfortunately, unlike programming languages like C or JavaScript, the Windows command line does not inherently support a break statement in the same sense. However, you can simulate a break with a clever use of conditional logic. By placing a conditional within the loop that causes the loop to exit when certain criteria are met, you can effectively create a controlled exit. Control+C. If you need to stop a loop during execution interactively, you can interrupt the script using Control+C. This key combination sends a signal to halt the process running in the command line, terminating the loop instantly. This is especially useful during testing or when an infinite loop unexpectedly performs a long or undesirable operation. Error level check. Another workaround involves controlling the loop based on the %error level %. Modify the loop to check for an error level and utilize an external flag. Loop through commands with exit condition. For complex scenarios, consider restructuring the command sequence to check for exit conditions explicitly or redesign the logic to handle exceptions or stop conditions outside the loop with decision structures or flags as shown above. Conclusion. Exiting a running for loop in the Windows command line demands a different thought process due to the absence of an explicit break statement. By using methods such as conditional logic to simulate breaks, employing Control+C for an immediate stop, or innovating with error levels and flags, you can effectively manage and control loop behaviors. Understanding and utilizing these techniques can greatly enhance your scripting proficiency and control over interactive command line sessions. Always ensure that your scripts are carefully tested under safe conditions to prevent unintended disruptions, especially when using interactive interrupts like Control+C. Happy scripting!